have prepared well for this day. Matagal-tagal din ang inyong preparasyon, and I know you longed and wished for this day to come. At alam kong pinaghandaan yung mabuti yung araw na ito. Yung araw na pinangarap ninyong dalawa na magpapakasal kayo sa simbahan.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings. Take over me, over every rushing memory. If only for a moment, oh, this could be my last chance.
And I want to remind you, Carl and Lindsay, higit pa sa pangarap ninyo, higit pa sa plano ninyo, ito rin ay plano at pangarap ng Diyos para sa inyo. This is beyond your plans. This is God's will for you. God already knew that on this day, May 9, 2026, at 2:44 in the afternoon, you will get married.
In the grip of your arms, far from where I want to see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Kaya ngayong araw, saying I love you will not be enough. Say also to each other, God gave me you.
See around me, there's no telling what you'll find here. Buried underneath, if you look any further, then the storms appear. Lines all fading down. Oh, this could be my last chance. In the grip of your arms, far from where I wanna see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Carl and Lindsay, when the difficult times arrive, always remember the time when you realize in your heart that you really, really love each other. And remember the time when you realize that you really want to be with each other forever.
Grant us, O Lord, to be
To be one heart and one soul, from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and health, until death do us part. You will invite Christ to be part of your married life. Dahil kung meron mang makapagtuturo sa inyo kung papaano ang magmahal ng tunay, si Jesus iyon. Christ will teach you how to love. Christ will teach you how to sacrifice for your beloved. Christ will tell you how to love even at the point of death.
To the grip of your arms, far from where I wanna see the other side. Show me where to go. To the grip of your arms, far from where I
And I pray that your days may return or may turn into silver, your silver may turn into gold, and your gold may turn into diamond, and your diamond be forever. Amen.